Shalom, everyone. Looking forward to seeing you in the new term. I'd like to share a beautiful thought about Parshat Yitro. Parshat Yitro is famous for the Aseret HaDibrot, and at the beginning of that chapter, there is a pasuk that tells us, Vayichan Sham Yisrael Neged Ahar. And Rashi says, since Vayichan is a Lashon Yachid, the very famous phrase that we're all using today, Ki ish echad belev echad. I'd like to offer that it's not just a historical fact, but actually it's a prerequisite for Aseret HaDibrot. I'm going to go back to the beginning of Shibud Mitzrayim. The Torah tells us, Vayakam melech chadash, asher lo yada et Yosef. People ask, how is it possible that the Mitzrim and Paro were able to change their feelings about the Jewish people? Jewish people saved Mitzrayim. How all of a sudden they were hated? I'd like to refer a pasuk in Parshat Ki Tavo, which we're familiar with on Pesach Seder. It says, Vayareu otanu hamitzrim vaya'anunu. The word Vayareu comes from the word Ra. So the English translation says, they were bad to us. But we know Al Pi Tiktuk in Yeshiva Flatbush, that should say, Vayareu lanu hamitzrim, not otanu. What does otanu mean? Some people would like to offer that what Paro did in Mitzrayim is what Hitler Yamach Shemo did to us in Germany and what's happening today. Vayareu otanu, he made us look bad. Propaganda, lies about the Jewish people. And when people spread lies and anti-Semitism, there's hatred. What's the lesson for us? So it's another pasuk I'd like to share. After Moshe told Datan v'Aviram not to fight, Rasha lama takereyecha, he says, Achei noda davar. Now I know. What does he know? So Rashi says that Datan v'Aviram said, you're going to bother us, we're going to tell on you and get you in trouble. Says Rashi something very frightening, boys and girls. Moshe says, now I know why there is slavery on the Jewish people. Because when the Jewish people treat each other badly and they speak bad about each other, then we don't have the protection that people speak bad about us. One of the things we need to improve now is to be nice to each other. And that's why the pasuk says, Ki ish echad belev echad is a prerequisite for us becoming a nation. And I'd like to add one last thought. I want you to think about it. Vayichan Sham Yisrael, what are the two letters of the Shoresh? Chet, Nun, Chen, favor, goodness. Almost everywhere in Torah, when we use the word chen, we say matzah chen, nimtza chen. You know what that means? It's not always easy to see the good in other people. Find the good. Look for it. If we find the good in others, Hashem will allow the world to find the good in us.